Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, the mastermind who not only played a crucial role in the freedom struggle of India but also, as a visionary, realized the importance of unity in the country. He took a lot of effort and pain to ensure the union of 565 self-governing princely states released from British after independence into one nation, that is our India. So on this auspicious occasion, let us get to know a bit more about the Iron Man of India through this simple quiz. In the end, don't forget to write how many questions you were able to answer in the comment section below. In which year the Government of India announced to celebrate Rashtriya Ekta Divas? 2013, 2014, 2016, or is it 2018? And the answer is 2014. The Modi government started. When do we celebrate the National Unity Day? A. 26 January, B. 5 September, or C. 31st October, or is it D. 15 December? The correct answer is 31st October. Whose birthday anniversary is celebrated as the National Unity Day? A. Sardar Patel, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Mahatma Gandhi, or D. Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is Sardar Patel. A. Which of the following is dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? Statue of Liberty, Statue of Prosperity, Statue of Unity, or none of the above? It's Statue of Unity. I hope all of you know. The Statue of Unity, which is also the world's tallest statue, is located in this. Is this in Gujarat, or in Delhi, or in Punjab, or D. in Mumbai? This is in Gujarat. Sardar Patel was a desk minister in the first government of India. Railway Minister, Finance Minister, Textile Minister, or D. Home Minister? Yeah, this is Home Minister, isn't it? Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of independent India? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, or D. Morarji Desai? So simple, isn't it? It's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel was born on this May 31, 1875, October 2, 1874, September 5, 1874, or October 31st, 1875. The correct answer is October 31, 1875. What is the nickname of Vallabhbhai Patel? A. Iron Man of India, B. Bismarck of India, C. Sardar, or D. all of the above? And the answer is all of the above. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel died on this December 15, 1950, October 31st, 1954, September 5, 1950, or October 31st, 1875. Sardar Patel was posthumously conferred with the Bharat Ratna in the year dash. In 1991, in 1992, or in 1993, or 1994. The correct answer is A, 1991. Who gave the title Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Subhash Bose, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, or D. Bhagat Singh. I hope you know this. A. Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you for watching the video. Please comment your answers in the comment section and subscribe the channel for more updates.